Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayla, and on this channel we do makeup tutorials and reviews and things like that. So today I've got a eyebrow routine. There's 3 different ways that I do my eyebrows, but at the moment I've been loving one which has been featured in all of my videos so far. But I just thought I'd show you all the products that I'm going to use today with regard to the eyebrows. So first off, we've got the Charlotte Grand Cosmetics Brow Soap, which is in the shade Translucent, and this is what it looks like. Then we've got the Maybelline Ultra Slim Defining Pencil, which looks like this. It's got a spoolie on one end, and then the pencil part on the other end. Then we've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I've got mine in dark brown, and that's what that looks like. Spoolie on the end of that as well. And then lastly, I've got the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. I know you can get the ones with the spoolie on these, but I just wanted to try out. I wanted to try it out, so I got the smaller one, which is a little bit cheaper, and that's what that looks like. I got mine in number 5. Then I use the Eyebrow Tinted Gel Brow Booster. And this is what this looks like. So it's just a colourful eyebrow gel thing, consistency. And then lastly, I've got the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. So this is the lash side, and then this is the brow side. Actually, that's not the last product, I missed one, and it is the Eyebrow Brow Pomade, and this is in the shade Dark Brown. The writing's rubbed off of this because I've had it for quite a while, but it's definitely dark brown. First off, I'm going to start off with the brow soap. I did complete my eyebrows in the pink smoky eye look. Just thought I'd show you all in one video. I've got the mirror here, so I will be looking down. I'm going to try and keep in the frame. So you could just leave it like that, but as you can see, I've got quite a few gaps. So there's a bit here, and then there's a bit here, and I just like to fill them bits out. So. So that's it, I've just finished up on the other eye. To make this extra defined, I tend to put concealer underneath. I'm just using a normal concealer. I use the Shape Tape by Tarte, and this is in shade Fair. I'll just take the applicator and then a brush. Okay, it's usually a flat sort of shaped brush. Look number 1, and I'm going to move on to the next one. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. So I'll just brush them up. Like that, and then I just get the pencil part out.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold.
Tends to get a bit messy, so I do have to clean up a bit more with this one. With this gel, but I'll tell you which one it is good. It's the L'Oreal Brow one. I think it's a fibre one, but I'm not entirely sure if they sell it, so I'm gonna search around for that, because if they do, I'll link it down below as well, because I'm just using this in the meantime, but that one I used to use all the time. So I've just put a little bit of concealer on underneath, and then I finish off with the e.l.f. brow gel, and I tend to just go over that just so that they're set in place.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
So now on to the third and final eyebrow look. So this is just using the Eyebrow brow pomade, and this is just a angled brush that I happened to buy from Wilko's a few years ago. So I don't wet anything, I don't do anything like that. All I do is I just put it in there, whirl it around a bit so it's got enough on the brush. Then I tend to move it on the side, take the excess off on the side.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
That is the end of my eyebrow routine. Those are the 3 techniques that I do use. I've learned over the years different techniques to try and make my eyebrows look fuller, and I think I did pretty well. They are really thin and sparse, and especially if I don't get eyebrow tints or anything like that regularly, which I don't do. Don't forget to comment down below what technique is your favourite, 1, 2 or 3. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!